Check it out. This is Able G17, Katabataga T. Yeah, you know, I'm out here chilling. Kempton TV, Tembisa TV. Check it out online. That's Kuala Baba. Danko 163032 and 1685 representing the Kuala Matala. Danko Able G. Check out my music. Gonna drop a new single on the 28th. Gomopo is dropping, it's dropping. We're gonna campaign and launch it. You know how it does. We don't stop grinding. Check me out and follow me on Instagram. It's AbleG RSA. You know how it does. On Twitter X, it's AbleG underscore RSA. And Facebook, it's AbleG. And on YouTube, it's AbleG17. Tembisa TV, Kempton TV, stand up. Well-known Able G. Then my birth name is Sibusiso Abangazi Kasi. I would describe it as an Afro fusion electro music. That's when I write and when I compose a beat or a song. I put different kind of elements to it. You can find Able G's music on Spotify. You can find Able G's music on iTunes, Apple Music, Audio Mac. You can find it on YouTube. Actually, all the platforms, the music stores online, you can find Able G's music. Yeah.
Okay, so